Joelle! Joelle, where are you?
I'm at the car rental place. Why? What happened?
I packed everything. The food, the sunscreen, the hiking shoes,
That's great.
and I cannot find the car keys.
Anna, the car keys are with me. I drove here.
Oh,
You have everything else?
everything. Yes,
Then we are fine. See you in 1 hour.
1 hour. Okay. Okay. Grand Canyon, here we come. Okay. 3 days, Grand Canyon. This is actually happening.
I know. I can't stop smiling.
All right. We need a list. What do we have? What do we still need?
I need to pick up the rental car at 10. I booked a convertible.
A convertible? For the desert?
Open top, blue sky, red rocks. Tell me that's not perfect.
Okay. That is perfect. What else?
Camera. My old one is broken.
I need hiking shoes. Mine are 2 years old. The sole is coming off.
The sole? Which part is that?
The bottom. The part that touches the ground.
Right. Not ideal for rocky canyon trails.
Not ideal at all. Okay, you get the car and a new camera. I get shoes, food, and sunscreen.
We meet back here at noon. Load the car and go.
Simple. Clean. Perfect plan.
Nothing can go wrong.
Joelle, never say that.
It's fine. We have a list.
Wait, are we forgetting something?
We just made the list.
I have a feeling.
You always have a feeling. Go get the shoes. I'll get the car. See you at noon. Hi, I have a reservation. Joel Harris.
Good morning. Let me check. Harris. Yes, the Cruiser 200. Great choice.
Is it comfortable for long drives? We're doing about 300 miles.
Very comfortable. Leather seats, GPS, and great air conditioning for the desert heat.
Perfect. What fuel does it use?
Regular unleaded.
And the tank, is it full?
Full tank. You can drive about 350 miles before you need to stop.
The canyon is about 280 miles, so we're fine.
Exactly. Any questions about the car?
Speed limit on the highway?
70 miles per hour. Stay under that and you're good.
And when do I return it?
Sunday by 10 a.m. Full tank, please. Any damage, just note it on the form.
Got it. Thank you.
Here are the keys. Enjoy the canyon. It's spectacular this time of year.
Hi, I need hiking shoes for rocky mountain trails. The Grand Canyon.
Great destination. What size are you?
7, but I've heard hiking shoes fit differently.
You're right. Feet swell when you walk for hours.
So what size should I get?
I'd suggest a 7.5, half a size up. It sounds small, but it makes a big difference by hour 3.
Okay. What styles do you recommend for the canyon?
For rocky, uneven terrain, you want ankle support.
Not just regular trainers?
Regular trainers on canyon rocks? Your ankles would not thank you.
Fair point. Can I try this pair?
Of course. Sit here and try walking on the slope mat over there. It's like uneven ground. You can feel the difference.
Oh, wow. You can feel the grip immediately.
That grip is everything on loose rock.
They feel a little stiff, though.
That's normal for a new shoe. After 2 hours of walking, they loosen and mold to your foot.
I trust you. How much?
$89.
A bit more than I planned.
Good shoes save your feet, your knees, and your back. Bad shoes can ruin a trip in hour 1.
Okay, sold. Do you have hiking socks? Thick ones.
Cushioned anti-blister.
2 pairs, please.
$12 for 2 pairs. Total is $101.
Worth it. Thank you.
Enjoy the canyon. Watch your step on the south rim.
Hi,
I need a camera for a road trip. Mountains, landscapes, outdoor shots.
What's your budget?
Around $100. Maybe a little more.
This one is our top seller for travel. Excellent in bright outdoor light.
It looks great. How much?
$349.
I said 100.
It's professional quality.
I'm not a professional. I want holiday photos. Good ones, but holiday photos.
Then this model, $95.
What's the difference?
Fewer manual settings, but for landscape and daylight shots, honestly, almost no difference in the result.
Is it waterproof?
Water resistant.
The canyon has river areas. Could it get wet?
We have a waterproof case, $18. Highly recommended.
Okay, camera and case.
And a 64-gigabyte memory card is included. Enough for about 2,000 photos.
2,000? I don't think I'll take 2,000.
You'd be surprised what the canyon does to people. Total is $113.
Done. Thank you.
Okay. 3 days, simple food, things that don't need much cooking.
Can I help you find anything?
Yes! Where are the energy bars and trail mix?
Aisle 4, next to the dried fruit.
And bread? Fresh bread?
Bakery is at the back. Just came out of the oven 10 minutes ago.
Perfect. And peanut butter?
Aisle 3, with the spreads.
Joel loves trail mix. I'll get the big bag. And water. A lot of water.
For hiking in the canyon, you want at least 3 liters per person per day.
3 liters? That's a lot.
The desert sun dehydrates you faster than you think.
Okay. 2 large packs of water. And fruit. Bananas, apples, oranges.
Fresh produce is at the back left.
And one more thing. Dark chocolate.
Aisle 6, next to the snacks.
Chocolate is essential for long drives.
No argument from me. Anything else?
I think that's everything. Actually, do you sell portable phone chargers?
This is a supermarket.
Right, of course. Sorry.
The electronics store is 2 doors down.
Thank you. My husband is already there, actually.
Then you're covered. Safe travels.
Excuse me, which sunscreen is best for a full day outdoors in the desert?
Definitely SPF 50 minimum.
Is SPF 30 not enough?
At altitude, the sun is stronger than at sea level. The canyon rim is over 7,000 feet high.
I didn't know that.
Most people don't. SPF 50, reapply every 2 hours.
Reapply. So 1 bottle isn't enough?
Get 2, 1 for each of you.
Okay, and lip balm? My lips always crack in dry heat.
This one has SPF 15, specifically for dry climates.
And bug spray? Are there insects at the canyon?
Near the water areas and at dusk, yes.
This one says 12 hours protection.
That's our best seller for outdoor trips. Very effective.
I'll take 2 sunscreens, 2 lip balms, and 2 bug sprays.
Smart. Total is $44. Stay safe out there.
Thank you. I feel prepared now.
The canyon is magnificent. You're going to love it.
Silver Arrow is ready.
You named the car?
Of course I named the car. Okay, let's check everything. Food?
In the cooler, loaded.
Water?
3 big packs, as instructed.
Shoes, socks, sunscreen, lip balm, bug spray?
All in the blue bag, back seat.
Camera?
With the waterproof case, front bag.
Chargers?
Plugged in already.
First aid kit? Joel?
I walked straight past the pharmacy. It was right there.
That's what I had a feeling about this morning.
I thought you were being dramatic.
I am never being dramatic.
It's 5 minutes away. I'll go now.
Hurry, we're already 20 minutes behind.
You're back.
I'm back.
Different items this time?
First aid kit. Travel size. My wife was just here.
She was very prepared.
She is. I'm the other one.
The first aid kit is right here. Bandages, antiseptic wipes, pain relief tablets.
Does it have something for blisters? My wife just bought new hiking shoes.
Yes, blister plasters are in the kit.
What about altitude sickness? The canyon rim is very high.
Your wife asked about SPF. You're asking about altitude. You two are well matched.
We covered different areas.
Some people feel dizzy or get headaches above 7,000 feet.
That sounds awful.
Stay hydrated. Take it slow on the first day. These headache tablets help.
Those. Anything else I'm missing?
Hand sanitizer and a small torch.
Smart. All of it. Total?
$38.
Worth it. Thank you. Again.
Tell your wife she married a good learner.
I'll tell her that. She'll disagree.
Joelle, look at the color of the rock.
Orange, red, dark brown, all at the same time.
I've never seen anything like it.
We're still 2 hours away. Imagine what the canyon itself looks like.
I can't imagine it. That's the thing.
Trail mix?
Yes, don't eat it all.
No promises. Okay, road trip quiz.
A quiz? Now?
You can't walk out. Best time.
Fine, go.
Name 5 things we bought today.
Hiking shoes, camera, sunscreen, food, first aid kit.
Good. And what was I nearly forgetting?
The first aid kit.
I remembered it, though.
Eventually.
Eventually counts.
Joelle, this was a good idea.
The canyon?
All of it. The car, the plan, you.
I'm gonna need that in writing.
I put it on the fridge.